Nature holds a special place in Indian culture, and the Indian civilization has blossomed in the lap of trees over centuries. The cognitive effects of nature have now been proved by science as well. It has now been proven that functions of the mind improve when we spend some time with nature. This is especially helpful in lifting the mood of the people in the midst of a pandemic, as they are spending majority of their time indoors. The recent study conducted at a user experience lab of IIT Delhi shows that spending time in the midst of nature every day helps us in a big way to overcome distractions and build focus on our tasks.
At IIT Delhi, within the Department of Design, we have set up a user experience lab. In this lab, we try to study how experiences are generated for human beings so that we can design better products, better environments for people. We study physiologically how different kinds of stimuli influence the human mind, the human body. Say, for example, we study using electroencephalography, the brain waves, and we try to see when different stimuli come on the screen, for example, of a mobile, how would an individual's brain get influenced by that? And that influence, how does that lead to the well-being of the person? And we use other such similar sensors like heartbeat, like skin conductance. And that is our goal overall, to study human experiences in context of different stimuli, different kinds of products usages.
So this study was conducted at UX Lab at IIT Delhi. So the whole study was possible because we have a 64-channel EEG equipment available in that lab, which was instrumental in actually recording the very subtle brain responses while a person is undergoing nature experience.
Researchers have found that in addition to loneliness during the coronavirus pandemic, the increased use of television and other electronic gadgets has also upped the risk of short attention spans, especially in children. During the study, participants were made to experience nature through audio-visual medium, and their brain activity was mapped. Researchers found that there was a significant positive change in brain activity during the tests than before the experiment. This proved that even a small interaction with the nature, like a walk in the park, nurturing your homegrown plants, or just admiring the beauty of plants and trees, not only calms down our mind but also improves its performance.
There is a difference between involuntary attentional mechanisms and voluntary attentional mechanisms at a neuronal level. It is said that the voluntary attention, which requires more effort in putting attention, are located more on cortical brain areas, whereas involuntary attention is evoked more from inner brain regions. So while a person is having these unique experiences in nature, he is probably activating his involuntary mechanisms more, putting it to use more than the voluntary attentional mechanisms. So what happens in the process is that the voluntary attentional mechanisms get a chance to rest. So while the voluntary mechanisms are put to rest due to nature experience, they also get efficient in a subsequent cognitive task. So that's what this study has shown empirically.
We are often distracted by things around us, and our brain is constantly engaged to look at the distractions. Now, when we are in nature, this inhibitory mechanism, which is employed all the time by the brain, is suppressed. And so what happens? Our brain is relaxed. And once you're relaxed, you can focus better. Your attentional capacities are all available to you.
The findings of this study have recently been published in the research journal Annals of Neurosciences. According to scientists, human brain has actually been designed to love nature, and this phenomenon is called biophilia. In fact, greenery has long been seen as a source of peace and energy that today's urban lifestyle has unintentionally forgotten. This research will once again inspire people to connect with nature and can be helpful in enhancing positive functionality by removing many mental problems that are currently on the rise in our society.